Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I installed this new Ralby LED vanity light in my washroom. Overall, not bad for about 100 Canadian dollars. This is an important caution. The procedure shown in this video is for information and education purposes only. If you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring or electrical equipment, I would strongly suggest that you hire a licensed electrician. Working with electrical wiring or equipment can be dangerous and can cause serious injury if not handled properly. Before undertaking any kind of electrical work, always make sure that you follow your local electrical safety code. These are the tools that I will be using today. A quick multi-bit screwdriver, Klein Tools receptacle tester, Klein Tools touchless voltage tester, Black & Decker electric screwdriver which also has a built-in flashlight, a knife, a wire stripper, needle nose plier, a plier, some Wago connectors, some spare wire nuts, a flashlight for my head because normally it is dark when I am working with electrical wiring, and black electrical tape. So this is how the light looks. 4 acrylic lights. They are rotatable by 360 degrees. You can move them in anywhere. Each one of them can be moved by 360 degrees. Comes with a big mounting plate, 2 wires for connection, hot and neutral, and of course there is a ground wire as well. Sharp metal, so comes with gloves. You can put on the gloves when installing. Three wire nuts, 3 screws, and a small installation manual. Tells you how to install it. As per the description given on the website, it is 65 centimeters long, about 2 feet, 11 centimeters on this side and 12 centimeters on this side. This is about 6 inches and the width is about 5.5 inches. Nice shiny frame. You can also get that in black. This one is chrome finish. As the description says, it is fog proof, anti-corrosion, moisture proof, and it is suitable for humid environments like your bathroom or powder room. As per their claim, it saves 80% electricity as compared to 4 bulbs of the same wattage. It is hardwired. You can see there are 2 wires here, black hot wire or line, white neutral wire, and a ground wire. About 10 inches long and about 4.5 inches wide mounting plate which gives a good grip on the wall. There are 1 and 2 mounting screws at the bottom and 2 mounting screws at the top. So this is a button to adjust the light temperature. We will see the functionality, the actual functionality after installation. So let's get started. I will have to remove the old light first, and for that I'll go down and turn off the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker is off. I can now go ahead and remove this old light. Quite dark here, so I have my headlights on. These screws should be removable by hand. Let me try it. Okay, good. Hot wire, ground wire, and the neutral one. I would like to check once more that there is no power in the fixture. It is always safe to put them back until I install the new one. The neutral one I'll put this back for now, and the ground. Wow, drywall screws here. Now this bracket is free, I can take it out easily. To install the new light fixture, I have to remove this plate first and install the plate first on the wall, and then I can install the actual light fixture. This bracket will be installed to the wall first using these 4 holes, and I have 4 wall anchors and corresponding screws. This is my next step. Match these 2 holes and then level it. The holes are matching, it is leveled, so I will mark these 4 holes here. So I can use the drywall anchors. Drywall anchor and matching drill driver bit. First I will tighten the bracket with the outlet box using the old screws. Ideally I should use machine screws here, but because the earlier bracket was tightened using drywall screws, I have no option but to reuse them. The machine screws will not work here anymore. Check the level one more time before tightening. Looks good. Now I can go ahead and tighten these 4 screws. They will give a better grip to the 2 feet long light fixture. These 4 screws are for the drywall anchors. I'm keeping it here to make sure the level doesn't move. Perfect. Next I will connect these wires. These are 14 gauge stranded wires. They need to be stripped a bit more. They were about half an inch and I need about 5/8 of an inch. Only 2 wires here. The entire fixture is grounded using the body. When I connect the ground coming from the panel to this ground with the bracket, the whole bracket will be grounded, and then the body of the fixture will get the ground connection. The light fixture comes with 3 new wire nuts. I'll use new wire nuts. So I have connected the black hot wire and the white neutral wire to the wires coming from the light fixture with new wire nuts, and used a small amount of tape to wrap around the new joints. I will now push these back into the outlet box, the junction box. Place the light fixture matching these holes with the holes in the bracket. Use the 4 screws that came with the fixture to tighten the fixture with the bracket. I have to get onto the vanity to match the holes. Tightening these 2 screws without removing the mirror is difficult, so I have to remove the mirror first. It's now time to check the functioning of the light. I'll now go down and turn on the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker is on and this is how it looks. I still have to install the mirror again. This is warm white, bright white and daylight. This installation is complete now. This is how the light looks in our bathroom. I got this light from Amazon. I will provide the link in the description. This light is modern, gives good look, very decorative.